Yes, in last class, guys, we were discussing regarding dependency. And we have discussed what is Maven project. Just we have started with what is Hibernate, what is Maven project. And in last class, we were discussing, guys, dependency. Yes. So in last class, we tried to create a Maven project, but it didn't happen for me. Yes. So now I'll create a Maven project now, and then we will proceed. We will see how we can add the dependency. Yes. Now we will create a Maven project, and we will see how we can add the dependency. So guys, in last class, we have discussed Maven is nothing but it is a project building tool. Yes, it is nothing but, guys, it is a project building tool. Now, with the help of Maven, whenever we are going to use Maven, no need to download and add the dependency. Yes, no need to download then add. Just here we have one file. So the name of file is pom.xml. Yes, pom.xml. So in that pom.xml, we can pass, yes, in that pom.xml, guys, we can pass the dependency path. So POM stands for Project Object Model. Yes, POM stands for Project Object Model. So in that model, we have a XML file basically. So there we are going to add the dependency. So guys, all of you have attended the last class, right? I hope all of you have attended the last two classes. So in that class, I explained these things. Yes, that's good. So I hope all of you know what is pom.xml and like what is Maven project. So guys, in what are the project building tools we have? Yes, currently, what are the project building tools we have? Yes, so can I say we have project building tool as Maven? We have project building tool as Gradle. We have Ant. Yes, and many more. Many more. We have project building tool. Yes, so now we are going to use Maven, guys. Once you'll become expert in Maven, you can switch to Gradle. But since as per fresher level, guys, Maven is better to use. Yes, and in last class we have discussed with the help of Maven, we can create, yes, we can create a medium project and large scale project. So now let us proceed and create a project here. Okay, Durga Prasad will see that. Yes. So if you are getting an error, so you need to add the dependency there. How to add the dependency? I'll tell you guys. Yeah, if you are getting any error, raise your hand. Text me in chat box so that I can help you out. So you need to add the dependency. Yes. So guys, better text me in chat box if you are getting an error while creating the project. Yes. Okay, we'll solve that. We'll fix that. Yeah, don't worry. At last, if you are not getting that also, then you need to change the Eclipse, guys. Yeah, the way I change the Eclipse. Yes. So fine. Let me create a Maven project. So simply, guys, you can see if you are not getting option here, then right click. Yeah, right click, go to new. So Manjusri, have you attended the first class? At least first class you have attended? No. Okay, so just ask notes from one of your friend and just go through. Yes, we have not discussed much. Yes, it was online class. Yes, just ask. So guys, if you have missed the first and second class, we have not discussed, like we have discussed only a few little concepts. So from today, we are going to proceed. Yes, so if you have missed the class, please take notes from your friend and just go through. Yes, so anyone just share the notes in the Google Classroom. Yes, yes. So I don't have first class video, second class video I have. So I'll just try to share. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that at last, guys. Don't worry. Yeah, so at last, just remind me. I'll do that. Yeah, so now let us concentrate further. So whatever doubt you have, guys, please ask at last. Yes, like Google Classroom, videos. If you have missed the class, you ask at last. Yeah, because it's already late, we should proceed with the concept. Yes, so here we will type Maven. Now, after typing Maven, you will get many choice, many options. So just select Maven project, click on next. Click on next. And then again, click on next. Now, guys, you can see we have something as catalog. We have catalog. So inside that catalog, select internal. Yes, if you will select all, then you will get many things. Yes, but I want to create a normal project like desktop application and web application. So instead of that, you can select internal. Yes, if you will select all, guys, you will get many number of, you will get different types of project. You can see, yes, Spring MVC, Spring Web Flux, and so on. So currently we have started with a normal project. So we will click on internal. Yes, we'll click on internal. Now, guys, currently we are not going to design any web application. Yes, currently we are not going to design any web application. So currently we are going to design a desktop application. Yes, so if you want to design a desktop or normal Java project, then you can select Maven. Yes, you can select, guys, Maven archetype quick start. Yes, if you are going to do the normal project desktop application, then you can select Maven archetype quick start. Now let's say if you want to design any web application, yes, in future if you want to design any web application, in that case you are going to select Maven archetype web app. Maven archetype web app. So guys, you can see we have multiple option here. So quick start in the sense normal Java project, or we can create a desktop application, that is standalone application. But if you want to create a web application, then you have to select web app. Yes. So now, guys, currently we are going to proceed with the normal project. We are going to design a desktop application. So I'm going to select Maven archetype quick start, and then I'll click on next. Yes, then I'll click on next. Now, guys, here you can see they are going to ask you, yes, now here they will ask you the group ID, and then they are going to ask artifact ID. Yes, so group ID is nothing but basically the package name. Yes, group ID is nothing but package name, and artifact ID is nothing but, we can say, it is a project name. It is a project name. And you can see one more thing, we have package. So whatever you are going to give group ID and artifact ID, it will be combined and it will be shown as the package. Yes, it will be combined, it will be separated with the help of dot operator, and it will be shown here as a package. So fine, let us proceed. So all of you concentrate here. So first I'm going to give the group ID. Yes. So let's say the group ID is com dot, group ID is nothing but package name. So com dot jspiders dot app. Yes, jspiders, let's say application or app, jspider dot app. So this is your package name. Now we have to provide the project name. So let's say I'm going to give the project name as first project. I'm going to give guys project name as first project. So you can see this group ID and project name has been combined here and it is shown as package name. Yes, group ID and artifact ID guys, it has been combined and it is, you can see we are getting com.jspider.app.first project. If you want, you can change the package name here as well. Yes, so let's say I want to give a package name as com.hibernate. Okay, let's say com.jspiders.hibernate.first project or test project. So you can do like this as well guys, and once it is done you can click on finish. Yes, once it is done you can click on finish. So let me see, and after clicking on finish guys, it will take some time and your project will be created. Yes, after that it will take some time and your project will be created guys. Now many of you are getting an error. Yes, many of you guys, you are getting the error. So if you are getting the error, just go to Google and type, yes, just go to Google and type, it is same, you can give same, no problem. Yes, so guys, you can see what is the project name. So whatever we have like whatever we have specified in the artifact ID, that is the project name. So that's what we have to provide. Group ID, group ID is the package name, artifact ID will be your project name. So if you are getting an error while creating a Maven project, then go to Google and type Maven quick start archetype. Yes, then type guys Maven quick start archetype, then scroll down. Yeah, scroll down and you can see the first option. Yes, Maven repository, and you can see some path, so click on that. Yes, if you are getting the error guys, please follow this, please do it quickly. So you can see guys, after clicking on this particular link, a new window will open like this guys. Yes, after clicking on this link, this particular link, we will get a new window like this. So you can see you are going to get here a new window as Maven quick start archetype. Now from here guys, you can select the version. You can select the version. So let's say you can use 1.0, you can use 1.8 and so on, but I'll go for updated version. Yes, latest version. So I'll click on this 1.4. So guys, see here, well, after that you will get different version. So I'm clicking on this 1.4. You can see here I'm clicking on this 1.4. So once you will click on 1.4 guys, you will get the set of dependency. Yes, these are nothing but guys, these are dependencies, or you can say in terms of your J2EE, these are the jar files. Yes, these are the jar files. So if you want to download the jar file guys, you will get an option here. See here, if you want to download the jar file, you will get an option here. But if you want to add, if you are using Maven project, then you need to add this dependency. Yes, you need to copy this entire path and you need to paste it. But if you are not using the Maven project, then first you need to download the jar file, and then you need to add. So if you click on this, guys, one jar file will be downloaded. Yes, if you click on this, one jar file will be downloaded, guys. So it is telling me to keep or remove. Yes, so I'll click on keep. So you can see one jar file. You can see Maven archetype quick start 1.4 jar file. But currently, since we are using Maven project, we are not supposed to add the jar file. Yes, so what we will do, just we are going to pass this particular dependency tag in pom.xml. But currently, guys, but currently we are going to configure the Maven project. So what we will do, guys, again we will go back to Eclipse. Yes, and right click on new, and select Maven project. If you are not getting Maven project, guys, then click on other, or just click on project. Yeah, just click on project, and here just type Maven. Here just type, guys, Maven, and click on next. Again click on next. So guys, now you will get window like this, and in left hand side, not left hand side, guys, right hand side down, you can see you are getting an option add archetype. Yes, you are getting an option, guys, add archetype. So click on that, add archetype. Once you will click on that, guys, they are going to ask the group ID. They are going to ask the artifact ID, and they are going to ask the version. Now you will get this group ID, artifact ID, version from this Maven repo. From this Maven repo, guys, you can see we have Maven, we have Gradle short, we have Gradle Kotlin, and so many. So these all are nothing but these are the project building tool. But currently I'm going to use, yeah, you can see the syntax, even the syntax will be different here. Yes, you can see, guys, for each and every project building tool, dependency syntax are different. But currently I'm using Maven. So now, guys, you can see for this archetype, they are asking three different components, that is group ID, artifact ID, and version. So let us copy and paste it one by one. So here, guys, inside this dependency tag, yes, inside this dependency tag, guys, you can see we have something as group ID. So whatever group ID you can see, just copy and paste it. Just a second. Yeah, so just copy the group ID. Okay, it's not happening properly. That's okay. So I'll copy it to somewhere, and from there I'll copy. Yes. So just a second. Yeah. So what I'll do, guys, first I'm going to copy the group ID. So I'll copy the group ID and I'll paste here. Yes. Now we need to paste what, guys? Artifact ID. So already we have artifact ID is Maven-arc type-quick start. We'll copy this and we'll paste here. Next, they are asking the version. Yes, next they are asking the version. So copy this version and paste here. And last, you can see they are asking repo URL, repository URL. So leave that place as a blank and click on OK. Yes, leave that place as a blank and click on OK. Yes, I'll click on OK, guys. So you can see it will take some time and your dependency will be downloaded from the internet. Yes, it will take some time and dependency will be downloaded. So let me see. Yes, in my case already I had 1.1, so that dependency has not been added. Yes, it has not been added because my Eclipse is not going to support 1.4 dependency here. That is, it will not support quick start 1.4. So you can see I got 1.1. That is okay for me. So guys, all of you just add this, click on add archetype. Yes, and I'm sharing the, yes, if you want, I'll share this complete dependency in the chat box. So don't use Google now. So for time being, you can use later. If you want, you can use Google. So now I'm sharing in the chat box. So just copy the group ID, artifact ID, and paste here. Yes, whoever you were getting the error, fix the issue fast. I'll give you 1 minute time, guys, fix it quickly. Still, if you are getting the error, you need to change the Eclipse. Soumya, Naveen, Harsha, Manjushri. Yes, you people just add these because you people were getting an error right while creating a Maven project. So just do it fast. Yes, don't waste much time, do it quickly. Which URL, Sachin? You need to, can't you use Google? Or I shared the, yes, and I shared the dependency in chat box. Can't you see there? Yes, Sachin, it's not in the chat box or question answer box. Or simply just go to, yes, simply just go to Google and type Maven quick start archetype. That's it. Yes, your work is done. And just scroll down and use the first link. And from here you can select any version, guys. So I'll select 1.4. So I'll click on this. So just go to Google, type this and follow it. Yes. So guys, all of you do it quickly. Yes, please don't waste time. Still getting the error? So in that case, on Daria, you need to change the Eclipse. Yes. So guys, after doing this, still if you are getting the error, then please change the Eclipse. Yes, please change the Eclipse. So just go to Google and type Eclipse. Okay. Yes, just go to Google and type Eclipse for JEE. Okay, Eclipse for JEE. Yes, Eclipse for JEE download. And then click on the first link. Yes, click on the first link. And in the right hand side, guys, you will get the option. Yes, in the right hand side, you will get this option. So click on download. I said, Naveen, URL you should keep it is a empty. Yes, no need to pass the URL. Yes, after adding that, you need to select just you need to select quick start. See, guys, I explain each and everything. Again, same doubt people have. Yes. So once you have added, so you need to select Maven archetype quick start. Yes, is it done, guys? Anyone, like you were getting the error? Have you fixed the error? Anyone? Naveen, are you getting now? Harsha, are you getting, or you are getting the same error again? Okay, Soumya, you are getting the error. So just change your Eclipse. Yes. So then change your Eclipse. So I'm sharing the URL in this chat box. So from there, you just download it. Just go for this Eclipse itself. Yes, if you are getting the error, then use this Eclipse. Yes, so fine. So in my case, guys, I have created a project. Yes, in my case, so guys, if you are getting an error later, you can do it off. In my case, you can see I have created a project. Yes, that's okay. Now you can see, guys, once you will create a project, you are going to get the folders here. You can see we have something as src main java, src test java, then you will have libraries, then you will have maven dependency and few more things. And at last, guys, you can see you will get a pom.xml file. Yes, at last you are going to get the pom.xml file. So in this pom.xml file, guys, we are going to add the dependency. So how to add the dependency, we'll see that, guys. No need to worry. So now you can see we have something as src main forward src forward slash main forward slash java. So I'll just open that, and inside that you can see we have a package. So the package name is com.jspiders.hibernate.test project. So this package we have created at the time of creating the project itself. Now, if you click on that arrow mark, you will get a class. Yes, you will get a class that is j.java. So just if you want to test your Eclipse, whether it is working or not, whether your Maven project is working or not, guys, then just click on this app.java and you can proceed. So let me increase the font a bit, and whatever I can see unwanted things right hand side, let me remove that. Yes. So now just test your Maven project whether it is working or not. So just execute, just run this project. So since I have created the first project in my Eclipse, so I'm getting some, it will take some time, and in the console you can see we are getting output as hello world. Okay, you didn't get Maven dependency, we'll see that. Yes, so this much, guys, all of you are getting right. Yes, up to here, have you created the Maven project, everyone? If you are getting an error, guys, after adding the quick start dependency as well, then please change the Eclipse. I shared the link in chat box. Now parallelly you can download and you can do it. Yes. Now, guys, you can see one more folder we have, that is src test src forward slash test forward slash java. Yes. So here also we will get few things. So here basically few methods are there. So that we are not going to discuss now. Once it is required, we'll discuss. So guys, normally whenever you want to write any program in Hibernate or in Springs, you will select src main forward slash java itself. Don't go for test. Yes, don't go for test, guys. Now, what I'll do, guys, I'll open pom.xml. Yes, I'll open pom.xml. Yes, so once I'll open pom.xml, guys, you will get something like this. You will get, guys, something like this. Yes, so now you can see inside this pom.xml, you will have a group ID. That group ID is representing what, guys? It is representing your package name. Yes, next it is, we have artifact ID. So artifact ID is first project, which is going to represent your project name. and few more things you can see, guys. Yes, few more things you can see. Now you can see, guys, we have a URL, that is http://maven.apache.org. So automatically, guys, your Maven project will download the dependency from this link. Yes, automatically your Maven project is going to download the dependency from this link. Yes, so fine. Yes, up to here, guys. I hope all of you have completed. Yes, so let us proceed now. So guys, you can see here you are going to get a tag as dependencies. Yes, you are going to get a tag as dependencies. So dependencies tag is going to specify, yes, basically dependencies tag, inside the dependencies tag, we can add any number of dependency, guys, or you can add any number of jar file. So you can see inside this dependencies tag, I have one dependency. Yes, I have one dependency. So guys, what problem you people are facing? What happened? Tell me exactly. I'm going very slow, guys. More than this, it's not possible because many of your friends had completed. What problem you people are facing? If you're not getting the quick start thing, then you need to change the Eclipse. So for that, I can't wait for 15-20 minutes again. You know that, right? So just see now, change the Eclipse if you are getting the error and follow the same later. If you have doubt, you can ask in next class. Yes. So we can't wait again for 15-20 minutes. If your Eclipse is not working, guys, please try to understand, because many of your friends, they are waiting, right? Yes. So if you have doubt, you can ask in next class. So just change the Eclipse and see whatever I'm going to do. So just follow the same here. Yeah, or just mark in your notebook. So later you can go through. If doubt, I am there to help you out, guys. Don't worry. Yes. Now you can see, guys, inside dependencies tag, currently we have single dependency. Yes. So I'll just hit enter, and before closing the dependencies tag, guys, I'll keep some space. Yes, I'll keep some space. Now, guys, so in case of Hibernate, since we are using Hibernate, guys, so in case of Hibernate also, we are going to make use of MySQL database. Yes, in case of Hibernate also, guys, we are going to make use of MySQL database. So guys, in case of JDBC also, we have used MySQL database. Okay, we'll discuss that at last. Whatever error you are getting, let me come add this jar file. Yes. So guys, in case of JDBC also, we have used MySQL database. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes, right. So if you want to connect, in case of, forget your Hibernate for 2 minutes. Now tell me, in case of JDBC, if you want to connect Java application and if you want to connect Java application database, yes, in case of your JDBC, guys, if you want to connect your Java application and database, then what are the things we need? What are the component we need, guys? Yes, if you want to connect Java application database in case of JDBC, what are the components we need? So we need two things, guys. That is JDBC API and JDBC driver. Yes, we need JDBC API and JDBC driver. So guys, who is going to provide this driver? Respective database, right? It will be provided by respective database server or vendor. Now, in case of Hibernate also, guys, we are going to make use of MySQL database. MySQL database. So we need the jar file or driver class of MySQL database, guys. Yes, in case of JDBC, we were using, guys, SQL, MySQL database. So we have added a jar file that is mysql.jar, right? We have added mysql.jar. Now, in case of Hibernate also, guys, we are going to make use of MySQL database itself. So even we need the jar file of MySQL. So what is that jar file? It is nothing but driver. It is a driver provided by MySQL people. So fine, we need to add the jar file of MySQL. Or in case of your Hibernate, you can say we need a dependency. Yes, in case of Hibernate, guys, you can say we need a dependency from MySQL vendor or MySQL database people. So here, guys, again, we have two. In terms of JDBC, you can say jar file, but here we are not going to use term jar file, guys. Here we will use a term dependency. So we need a dependency, guys. We need a MySQL dependency. So again, we will go for Maven. Yes, we will go for Maven repository. Yes, so if you want, you can search directly in the Google or in Chrome. But since in my case, Maven repository is open, so in search box, I'm going to type here MySQL connector. In search box, guys, I'm going to type here MySQL connector. So you can see it's available for me. So I'll click on this. I'll type here MySQL connector and I'll click on search. Yes. So guys, all of you follow the same in the Maven repository, or if you didn't open this, then just go to Google and type Maven repo. Yes, Maven repo, and you will get the first link itself. Yes, you will get the first link. So click on that link. Yes, click on that link. Now in the search box, just type MySQL connector. Yes, in search box, guys, just type MySQL connector and then click on search. Yes, click on search. So once you will click on search, guys, you will get these many options. So now we need MySQL jar file or MySQL dependency. So you can see at the top, we got MySQL connector, guys. So just click on MySQL connector. Yes, and just scroll down. So guys, you can see we are going to get the different version here. Yes, we are getting different version of MySQL connector. Yes, we are getting different version now. So now if you have MySQL database as 8.0, so guys, many of you are using what? MySQL 8.0 database. Many of you are using MySQL 5.0. So if you are using 5.0, then from this option you need to select 5.0, guys. If you are using 8.0, then you can select 8.0 any version. Since if you are using MySQL 8, then you can select 8.09, 8.0.20, 8.0.26. But it should be 8 only. Yes, it should be 8 only. So in my case, I'm using MySQL database version as 5. So I'll just scroll down and I'll search where is the 5. So from 5.1.x, you can select any file. Yes, from 5.1.x, you can select any file. So let's say I'm going to choose here 5.0.5. So which version you need to select, guys? It depends upon what MySQL database version you are using. So I'm using 5 point some version. I'm using like MySQL 5. So I'm going to select 5.0.5. If you want, you can select 5.1.2. If you want, you can select 5.1.6. Yes, but but it should start with 5 only. If you are using 6 guys, then you need to select 6.xxx. Yes, 6.xxx. So guys, see, like this we have to add n number of dependency. So I'm not going to share the link, so you need to Google it. Yes, you need to Google it. So I'll do it once again for everyone. Yes, if you are confused guys, I'll do it once again, because like this guys, we have to add 10 to 15 dependency in the project. So just go to Google and type Maven repo. Yes, all of you guys, once again you follow Maven repo. Now first option, click on the first option. Blindly click on the first option. Now in the Maven repo guys, you will get a search option. So click on that MySQL connector and then click on search. Click on the search. So you can see at the top we got MySQL connector. Yes, so click on that. Click on that guys. Now you are going to select which version, that is 8.0.26, 8.0.25. It depends upon what version of MySQL database you have installed in your system. So in my case, it is MySQL 5. So I can pick from, I can pick any 5.0.x version. So let's say I'll go for, this time I'll go for 5.1.10, and it's okay, it's fine. So it should start with 5 only. So I'll go for 5.1.0. Previously I was using 5.0.5. So it depends upon you. Yeah, you can add any one, but it should start with 5. If you are using MySQL database version as 5, if you are using 8, then it should start with 8 only. So I hope most of you are using 8, I guess. Yes, most of you guys, you're using 8. Now how to check? Yes, how to check? So go to this PC, C drive, program files, and you will get an option as MySQL. Go to C drive, program files, MySQL. So you can see guys, I'm using MySQL 5.5. I'm using guys MySQL 5.5. So in your case, it might be 8.0, 8.5. So guys, can all of you check and let me know? Yes. So for this, what you need to do, go to C drive, program files, and then MySQL. You can see this PC, Windows, program files, MySQL. So guys, all of you check and let me know which version you are using. Because if you are going to select different version, so there might be possibility of version mismatch, and your project will not work. All of you are using 5.5 itself, guys? Yes, that's good then. So we are ready, and let us add this dependency. So you can use guys anything. Okay, since we are using 5.5, so let's see, do we have here 5.5.5? Do we have? Let's see. No, we don't have. So I'm going to select anything from 5 version. So I'll select 5.0.5. So I'll click on 5.0.5 guys. Now, once you click on 5.0.5, you will get something like this. Yes, you are going to get something like this. Again, you will get the dependency for Maven, Gradle, and so on. So now, since we are using the Maven project, so we need to copy this dependency. So guys, click here and copy the entire dependency. Yes, click here and copy the entire dependency now. Yes, just copy this, go back to your Eclipse. Go back to your Eclipse. And inside the dependencies tag, you can see guys, you need to paste this inside the dependencies. See, dependencies tag are is opened here and it's closing here. So inside that you can paste it anywhere. So after this particular dependency, whatever dependency we had, I'm going to paste here. I'm going to paste here, guys. So let us paste this. So guys, the time you are going to paste, so the time you will paste, and you will, if you are going to use Control S, yes, then in right hand side, guys, you can see something. Yes, some file will be start downloading. Yes, all of you guys paste it and use Control S. So right hand side, you will get something like few things will be started updating. Are you getting, guys, here in Eclipse? Are you getting, guys, or no? Yes, so it will take 5 to 10 seconds. Yes, depends upon your network speed. So now what is happening, guys, here your Eclipse is downloading the dependency from this Maven repo. Yes, your Eclipse, guys, is downloading the dependency from this Maven repo, and this dependency will be added to your Eclipse now. Yes, it will take it. Yeah, you can see there building workspace. Yes, so it will take some time. So once it is completed, you can proceed. Yes, I hope it's done for everyone now. Yeah, it depends upon your network speed. Yes. So now, guys, you can see we have a project here. So each and every time, guys, this dependency will be added automatically. So the time you are going to paste this inside pom.xml, yes, inside pom.xml, dependency will be added. But in worst case, if it is not added, then what you can do, right click on your project. Yes, automatically, guys, normally it will be added automatically. Yes, normally. But in worst case, guys, if it is not added, then what we can do, right click on project, then you will get an option as Maven. Yes, right click on project, you will get an option as Maven, and you can see you will get an option update project. Yes, you will get an option update project. So right click on project, Maven, update project. So now click on update project. Automatically, whatever dependency you have added, and if the property has not been called to the current project, it will be done, guys. So I'll click on update project. So now they are going to ask, you want to update which Maven project? So I have only one Maven project, so I'll select it and then click on OK. It may take few seconds, guys. Yes, but in my case, since it is added, so it will not take a millisecond as well. Yes, so now, guys, we have added one dependency. So the name of dependency is MySQL connector. Now, if you want to check whether really it has been added or not, so you can see, guys, in left hand side, you will get an option as Maven dependencies. Left hand side, guys, you will get an option as Maven dependencies. So just click on that arrow mark. Click on that arrow mark. So you can see, guys, in my case, it has not been added. Yes, you can see, guys, in my case, it has not been added. So I'm getting only JUnit 3.8.1. You can see I'm getting only this. Yes, I'm getting only this. I'm not getting this version, guys. I'm not getting MySQL connector, this thing. Let us see, let us check why it has not been added. So once again, guys, right click. I'm going to do in your case, check and let me know, guys. So guys, in your case, are you getting MySQL connector in left hand side? Yes, in your case, are you getting, guys, or no? Yes, it is reflecting here, guys, for everyone. Yes, that's good. So in my case, if it is not added, then what I can do, again, I'll right click on this project and I'll click on, just a second, right click on this project, I'll go to Maven and I'll click on update project. I'll click on OK. not happening for me. Why like that, guys? Yeah, now you can see. Yes, now you can see it has been added. MySQL connector, guys, it has been added. So like this, guys, you can add any dependency. Yes, like this, guys, you can add any dependency to your Maven project. So all the dependency, guys, you need to add in pom.xml file itself. So from where you will get the dependency? You will get the dependency from Maven repo. So just you need to go to the Maven repo and you need to search the respective dependency, copy it and paste it. Clear, guys? All of you are comfortable now? Everyone, can you add the dependency by yourself? So guys, if you are getting any error in the Eclipse, we'll fix that as well. So just wait for, yeah, just wait for a few seconds. Like, let me complete these things. Then at last I'll help you out. Okay. So guys, currently we have added one dependency, that is MySQL connector. Now guys, we are going to start with the Hibernate. Yes, we are going to start with the Hibernate. So we need Hibernate dependency also. What we need, guys? We need Hibernate dependency in my current project also. So I need to add the Hibernate dependency to the current project. So to do that, what we can do, guys, again, we will go to Google. Yes, again, we can go to Google, or already, guys, you can see we have Maven repo opened. Already we have Maven repo. So here just type Hibernate Maven. Yes, here just type, guys, Hibernate Maven and hit enter. Yes, so once you will type Hibernate Maven, you will get multiple options, guys. You will get, guys, multiple options. So you know Hibernate is nothing but it is a ORM tool. So now we need basic functionality of Hibernate. Yes, we need, guys, basic functionality of ORM. That is ORM functionality we need. So now we have to add this particular dependency as well. Now we have to add this particular dependency as well. So once again, guys, I'll click on this Maven core relocation. Once you will click again, you will get the different version, guys. Yes, again, you will get the different version. So you can see we have the latest version is 6.0.0, and you can see at the at last we are getting alpha. Alpha in the sense still this version is in progress. Yes, so I want the stable version. Yes, I want the stable version. So you can see, guys, the stable version is 5.5.4. Stable version, guys, it is 5.5.4. So I'll click on 5.5.4. Again, you will get the same thing. Yes, again, you are going to get for Maven, Gradle, and so on. Now, let's say if you want to download the jar file for this, then you will get an option, guys, jar. Yes, in files, you will get option jar. So if you click on that, the jar file will be downloaded, but I don't want. So you can see, guys, if you are not using the normal project, yes, if you are using, sorry, if you are using the normal project, if you are not using the Maven project, then you need to add this jar file. But since I'm using the Maven project, so I'll just copy this. Yes, I'll just copy and I'll paste again in this. Yes, I'll paste again, guys, inside this dependencies tag. So before closing the dependencies tag, guys, we need to paste it. Yes, so I'll paste here. I'll click on save. So you can see again, right hand side down, you will get an option building workspace. Yes, in right hand side, guys, again you are going to get this option. So again, your Eclipse is downloading the dependency from the Maven repo. Yes, your Eclipse, guys, it is downloading the dependency from Maven repo. So just wait for a few seconds. And once it is downloaded, guys, you can see this dependency will be added automatically. So just wait and watch. After MySQL connector, guys, this dependency will be added. So guys, so first see here, and then I want you people to add this dependency. See guys, once it has been downloaded, then you can see we got here multiple dependency. Not only the Hibernate, you can see we got Hibernate this thing, then we got JBoss and all. Yes, so these all dependency, guys, we need whenever we will go for the Hibernate program. Yes, whenever we will go for Hibernate program. So we have added one dependency, but whatever dependency was related to it, you can see all the dependency has been added now. So guys, all of you do it quickly. Yes, and if you have doubt, please ask me. Yeah, please ping me in chat box. So guys, all of you do it quickly. Don't waste time, guys. Yes, if you are facing any difficulty, let me know. So guys, you need to go to Maven repo and just search Hibernate Maven, and then you will get option Hibernate core relocation, and then select the respective version, and then copy this and paste in your pom.xml. Yes. What about others? I can see Ankita has added the jar file, dependency Ruchita and Sai Kiran. What about others, guys? You're not using laptop or what exactly? Okay, that's good. Yes. Okay, guys, if you have added, well and good. If you're facing issue, guys, if you're facing any difficulty, let me know. But if it is related to Eclipse, I'll let you know at last. Yeah, if it is related to Eclipse, at last we'll see that. Yes. So guys, let us assume if we were not using the Maven project. Yes, if we are using Maven project, then we can go to Maven repo, we can copy and paste. If we are not using the Maven project, then how to add the jar file, guys? Then one by one, we have to download all these jar file. Yes, if we are not using the Maven project, guys, then one by one, we have to add all the jar file and then we have to add it. Yes or no, guys? So tell me, which is the better practice, better way to add the jar file? By downloading and adding or by doing this? Yes, which is better, guys? By downloading each jar file and with use like by using Maven. Yes, by using Maven, right? Otherwise, you need each time you need to download the jar file, then you need to add, guys. So now, guys, I hope you got the clear picture what is Maven, why to use Maven, and what Maven is going to do. Yes, I guess, guys, all of you got the clear picture regarding Maven. Yes or no, guys? What is Maven project? What is the Maven? You got some idea now and how to create a Maven project. Yes. So, guys, up to here, what are the concepts we have covered? Yes. So up to here, just we have covered what is Hibernate. Yes, we have covered what is Hibernate. Then we started the advantage of Hibernate over Maven. Yes, just a second, let me write neatly better. So in the first class, guys, we have discussed what is Hibernate. Yes, what is Hibernate? Next, we have discussed ORM tool. So we know, guys, Hibernate is nothing but it is a ORM tool because it is going to map each object with the table. Yes, and the property of the object is the column of the table. Next, after that ORM tool, we have discussed advantage of Hibernate over JDBC. And then, yes, and then, guys, you can we have discussed Maven. Yes, what is Maven? Why Maven? What is Maven? Why Maven? And need of Maven. Need of Maven, guys. So we have discussed these things, not more than this. Yes. So guys, if you have missed the first class, I'll open the document. So just you can take a pic or a screenshot. If you have missed the second class, then I'll share the video for this. Yes, what is Maven, need of Maven, and so many things we have discussed. So for the first class, I don't have the recorded session. So just I'll open the document. You can take a pic or screenshot. As we discussed, document or notes I'm going to share at the last. Yes. So that I'll do at last, guys. So I'll open the document. You can take a pic or screenshot. What is Hibernate, ORM tool, and advantage of Hibernate. If you have missed the second class, I'll share the video in the Google Classroom. So just remind me by evening, guys. Not now, I'll share in the evening. And now we have learned how to add the dependency. So guys, any doubt up to here? Are you clear with the concepts? Yes. Whatever we have discussed, guys, are you clear with the concept? Any doubt for any one of you? You have doubt like you are getting an error, that will fix it now. Yeah, except this, guys, any doubt? Yeah, no problem. I'll share the video, guys. Don't worry. See guys, but if I'll share the video, you people is going to take the advantage. You know what? If I'll share the video, you will think, why to get up in the morning? Yes, you will think, right? Why to get up in the morning? That is the reason, guys, we were not sharing the video. So Harsha, basically Maven is not a tool, it is a project build. Yes, we can say it is a project building tool. It is not anything extra. It is a project building tool, which is going to manage your project. Yes. So guys, just take a pic or screenshot for the first class, whatever we have discussed regarding Hibernate. Yes. So just a second. No, we don't have. So Maven is just a project building tool. It is not an IDE. Okay, so just wait, I'll repeat. Yeah. So these things we have discussed in the first class. Let me scroll down. And then you can see we had a advantage. Just a second, just a second. Yeah. Yes, so you can take one more pick or screenshot, guys. This document I'll share at the last, don't worry. But be regular for the class, guys. If you are going to miss, let's assume the people who miss today's class, they will not get whatever I'm going to do in tomorrow's class. So please don't miss the class, guys. That is the humble request. If you are going to miss the class, let's say if you are going to miss 2 to 3 class of framework, then you will lose the complete interest, guys. Yes, and trust me, you will not get the concept. So just be regular, and you know morning time, that like you have framework class at morning time, so there will be no work. So sleep early, get up early, and attend all the classes. Yeah, so I'll just scroll a little down, guys. Yes, so these are the advantages of Hibernate over JDBC we have discussed. And if I'll scroll down, guys, you can see few more important points are there. So if you miss the class, so just go through once. Like how object will be stored in case of Hibernate and JDBC. That's it. So these things we have discussed, not more than this, guys. So guys, in next class, that is in tomorrow's class, yes, that is in tomorrow's class, we are going to start with the steps. That is how we can write a program in Hibernate. Yes, how we can write the program in Hibernate. We will see that. Yes, so that's all for today, guys. If you are getting any error while creating the Maven project, please stay. If you have any doubt, you can stay back. Otherwise, you can leave the class. We'll continue in tomorrow's class, guys. Till that, bye-bye. Tata, take care, guys. Yes, so we'll continue with the concept in next class. So guys, how many of you are like not getting the course in a skill ready? Yes, how many of you are not getting the course in a skill ready, guys? I'll share, don't worry. Yo, okay. So guys, I'm sharing one Excel sheet link. In that, fill the details. Yes. So I hope all of you have completed the sign up with skill ready. Yes. Have you completed the sign up with skill ready, guys? Everyone. Yes, so I'll share one Excel sheet link, guys, and you need to fill the details, and that Excel sheet I'll share with the respective team. Yes, and they will add you for the skill ready. Yes, so by end of the day you will be added for the course. So just check, if it is not added, then let me know. Yeah, no problem. So first, guys, first thing you have to do, you need to do the sign up in a skill ready. Yes, skill rally, you need to sign up. Yeah, I'll share the link. So once your sign up is done, then only you can proceed. So guys, for sign up, and like, you need to do sign up for the account, for the mail ID, whatever you gave in the JS Spiders. Don't give some other mail ID. Yes, I hope you know that. Yes. So just a second, guys, I'll share the link. Yeah, just a second. Let me create a link and share with you. There is no WhatsApp group, guys. We have a Google Classroom. So even I'll share that link. Just wait for what. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Let me do these things quickly. So guys, I'm sharing the link. Go that Excel sheet link. Just fill the details quickly. Yes, you got the link, right? All of you, it's visible. Yes, I shared the link in chat box, guys. Can you see all of you? Yeah. So guys, you just fill it off, and even I'm sharing the Google Classroom link. And then whatever doubt you have in the Eclipse, we'll fix it off. So till that, if your name is not there, fill it off. Yes. So guys, I shared the Google Classroom link as well in the, yes, I shared the Google Classroom link as well in the chat box. So just have a look and you can join. Sachin, if you are getting the output, that's okay. Yes, Sachin, if you are getting the output, don't worry regarding the warning. Yes, so fine guys. Now, many of you are getting the error while creating the project. So can you please let me know 2 or 3 members? I can help you out. Others, you just see that steps. Yes, Jyotsana, what error you are getting? Okay, Ranjan, can you share the screen, Ranjan, now? Yeah, just a second. I hope you people, the people who has not been added to skill rally, you can't share the screen as well. Yes. Yeah. So Ranjan, you can't share the screen. Which link you want me to share, Ranjan? Yeah. So anyone else? Okay. Anjana Kumari. Can you share the screen? Okay. So who else you can share the screen? You have logged in with skill rally, and anyone who are getting the error, you can share the screen. Okay. So now once I'll give the permission, then only. Okay, Jyotsana, you can. Okay, just a second. So I'll make you presenter. You can share the screen. Yeah, go ahead, Jyotsana. Yes, Jyotsana, you can share the screen. Okay. So open your Eclipse. And down right hand side, you can see pom.xml. Down right hand side. No, for this, you can see you have opened this first project pom.xml, right? So you can see overview, down overview, dependencies, dependency hierarchy, down, go down little more, little more, little more. Yes. So open pom.xml. Don't click on dependency, click on pom.xml. Yes, click on that. And copy the dependency from the Google and paste here. Inside dependencies tag, before closing the dependencies tag. Okay, first copy this. Yeah, go back to Eclipse. And before closing the dependencies tag, yes, hit enter and paste down. Hit Control S, save your program. And you can see your dependencies, like wait for a few seconds, it is, you can see building workspace. Right hand side down, you can see building workspace. So just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it's done now. So go for the Maven dependencies left hand side. You can see Maven dependencies folder. Yes, click on that arrow mark. No, you can see your dependency has been added. Yes, it's working fine now. Similarly, add the dependency of your Hibernate jar file. Yes, now go to Maven and type here Hibernate. Maven Hibernate. Hit enter. That's okay, hit enter. Nothing will happen. Okay, so check the spelling actually. You're not able to get. Change the spelling of Hibernate. Madam, Hibernate spelling, correct it. Hibernate. Enter. Yeah, click on the first link, that is Hibernate core relocation. Scroll down and go for the version 5.5.4. Yes. Now copy this, whatever you can see in the Maven. Copy the entire thing and paste it again. Go to back to Eclipse and paste it. Yes, there you paste it. Now hit Control S, save the program. Yes, now you can see again, it will take some time to build your workspace. So guys, anyone else you are getting any error? Yes, could not resolve the artifact ID. In that case, yes, in that case, whatever I said, that quick start you need to add. If it is not working, then change your Eclipse. Even for the Eclipse, I shared the link. Yes, so change your Eclipse. Anyone else you are getting any error, guys? So like this, you can add the dependency. After changing Eclipse also, you are getting same errors on the. Okay, so which Eclipse you have used? Whatever link I shared, same. Yes, whatever link I shared, same Eclipse like. Okay, so don't worry. So, Soundarya, can you share the screen? Yes, not now. Yes. Okay, so okay, just a second. So guys, I'll spend five or 10 more minutes because I have office also. Yes. So 9 o'clock. Yes. So Josana, you can see all your dependency has been added now. It's working fine. You can proceed. Okay, Soundarya, you can share the screen. I'll make you presenter. Just a second. Yeah, share the screen now, Soundarya.